Hello guys, this is me ARKIdose. So, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today, ang ituturo ko naman ngayon is yung XL na command, kung paano gamitin, at kunin yung midpoint ng dalawang, ng isang linya, o ng dalawang point, from first point to point, kahit walang linya. So, point to point tayo. So, let's begin. So, for example, this powder room, kailangan natin yung mid netong dalawang point. Diba? Usually, minsan naman kasi kailangan natin yan. Hindi lang sa detailing, but also sa paggagawa pa lang ng plan. Planning pa lang. Yes. So, ang itatype nyo muna is XL. So, enter. Then, kung vertical or horizontal, it's up to you. And, gawin natin vertical muna. So, letter V. So, ngayon, meron nang naka-ready na line. So, to get this point 1 to point 2, yung mid niya, without using the mid na linya, or kung wala tayong linya dyan, na hindi na tayo magpapakapagod masyado, ganun na lang, point to point na lang natin kukunin. So, shift. So, kapag nakita nyo na yung katabi ng square na to, na puti, yan parang root niya, parang square root na nakataas, na below. So, pag napindot nyo na yung shift, mag-appear yan, then, click yung right click nyo, right click sa mouse, then, mid between 2 points. Okay? So, click nyo lang yung first point, then second point, then, voila! So, ayan na, yung mid nung 2 points na yon. Then, same process din, pag horizontal, XL, then, enter, then, H for horizontal. So, H is 1, then shift, then right click, mid between 2 points, click the first point, and the second point. Yun lang. Ganun. And thank you guys. Sana makatulong. Thank you.